Entering Miami-Dade County. We made it to Miami. We're at room 726 at the Hilton, Miami Dadeland. So cool to be back in our hometown. We dropped off our bags here. Eva's next to me right here. Here's our bathroom with this beautiful door. We'll check it out in a few seconds. And we have a cabinet here when you walk in. And check out the view, guys. First of all, we have a nice king-size bed. This room is pretty nice. 7th floor, right on Kendall Drive. Very close to where we used to live. Pretty nice room. Love the carpet in here. It does have wood when you walk in. The faux wood, and then we have the carpet. Beautiful lamps. Here's our telephone. Of course, we have another room. Little drawers. Another room here on the side that you can connect to. Beautiful bed. Looks like we're gonna sleep comfy tonight. Nice. Just like being home. We have the pool view. And look at the beautiful sunset. Let me get a little bit of footage for you of the sunset. There's our view. Sun is going down. It is around 7 o'clock at night right now. And parking lot looks pretty empty. Pool looks very nice. Lots of beautiful grounds. Lots of plants is what I was gonna say. Lots of trees around the pool area. Very nice. Then over here we have our fridge. Down here, little fridge down here. Get a nice desk to work on. Great lighting in here. And of course, great drawers to put away your things. Oh yeah, I'm just loving it. Looks beautiful. Great room. Over here, we have a little seating area right by the beautiful view. This is a great spot to sit down and check out the sunset because the view, the sun coming down is so amazing. Wow, Florida sunsets. And then the bathroom is over here. This giant door just rolls open. And it's a beautiful bathroom. Have a really nice shower. It's a little shower, but it's very nice. Shower head. And it does come with this soap right here. Very nice. And here I am. All right. Cool. Nice mirror on the wall. Nice sink area. More soap over here. And over here we have probably some shampoos, body wash, and what have you. Some nice artwork. Let me close the door. Very nice. Nice little room with a beautiful big bed. I love it. It's great. Very nice. Okay, we're happy. A nice little stay in Miami. Right now we have the sunset view, and as I walk out into the hallway, I can see that you can see the city from one of the windows in the hallway. And there's a beautiful shot of downtown Miami right there. This is the hallway, and here's the window I was just looking through. You can see there's a lake across, some beautiful homes around the lake. This is just right across the street. And this is the street I used to take to get to the hospital before. And again, the sunset, can't say enough. All right, just took my mask off. Inside the hotel, you do have to wear your face covering for now. It's a beautiful hotel. This was being built. It's right next to Baptist Hospital. This was being built. I would come here for my dermatologist, and this street right here, I would drive right up to my dermatologist, which is right inside Baptist Hospital back there. And they were building something. I had no idea what they were building. So it's kind of cool to find out that it's a hotel they were building, a Hilton. And now here I am, staying at the Hilton in Miami, my hometown. I remember thinking they must be building a parking garage because there's always so much need for parking at the hospital. Depending on the season, the rooms here run between $150 and $200 per night. Downstairs, they have a Table 55 restaurant, and there's also a Starbucks. And here to the left is the hospital. Baptist Hospital right there. Emergency room over there, and the Cancer Institute. And people are always exercising here around the lake, especially when they're on break. There's the Baptist sign. This is Kendall Drive, 9100 Southwest 88th Street. Casavana Cuban Cuisine. One in Miami. Gotta have some Cuban food. Here we are at Casavana.
Casavana, our favorite place for Cuban food
In Miami.
Kendall.
Yeah.
Versailles is in the south, so we like both, but we'll take the Kendall one since we're in
We're the
Kendall.
one in Town and Country Mall on Kendall Drive, right by the hotel. And here's the menu. Oh, I'm looking at breakfast and desserts. Here we go, dinner time. Entrees. And over here, appetizers.
Amanda said he wants a soup, and that you would know what that
Yes.
Okay.
All right, guys, the food has arrived. There's Josh back there. There's Ivan. Whoa. All right, the food has arrived. I'm having the sweet plantains, white rice. Black beans are on the way. And we have a churrasco steak with chimichurri sauce. Eva has the pork. And her black beans are on the way. And our son-in-law has his steak sandwich, Cuban style steak sandwich. Hey guys, back at the hotel now. Wow, that dinner was amazing. He was already in bed.
Hey guys.
Oh man. How was your dinner, babe, at Casavana? What do you say?
It was delicious. Oh my God, it was so good to have that again. That was, one of our favorite spots to go eat Cuban food.
Yeah, not too far from where we
So
lived
good.
in Miami, so it's just kind of like down the street.
Yep.
So it was one of our favorites. And I gotta tell you, the churrasco steak there is so amazing. That's, in English, they call it flank steak. Delicious. That's one of those steaks you make on the barbecue. So good. And they do a good job there. And that sauce that they give you
The
is
chimichurri. Oh,
amazing. Yeah.
so good.
And then you had the yuca.
I had yuca, which is cassava in English, and they make it with a delicious, it's like lemon or lime with garlic and onions. So it's mojo. They make it with mojo. It's delicious.
Yeah.
The black beans were amazing. The rice was perfect, and then I ate the pork chunks, which is masitas de puerco in Spanish, and the pork chunks. Oh, they were so good. They were, everything was perfect.
So what's strange is that they close early. They close at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And we got there kind of like, it was cutting it close. I think it was a little past 8:30 already.
It was past
when we got
8:30.
there.
Yeah.
And we were worried that we weren't going to get there on time. But we made it in. They had a party of 25 that they were, already serving and taking care of. It was a private party. And the girl told us, we only have 3 waitresses tonight. Things are like crazy here. So they were, trying to wind it down because they're about to close, but there's so many people in there. So it
And
was,
even after us, like 2 more families came in after us,
Yeah.
and it was pretty busy when we got there. But they did a great job.
yeah, they
the
were so
service
good.
was great.
The food was really good. They did run out of the congri rice, which is what we had ordered.
Yes.
So then they told us, we do have the white rice available and the black beans separately. So
So we
that's-
took that.
Yeah, we got that. And the beans were amazing. It was just delicious. Everything was really good. And Josh wasn't crazy about his steak sandwich. He said it was good, but I gave him half of my churrasco, and he was like,
He loved it.
"Yeah."
He loved the churrasco.
He was like, "Wow,
He also tried
that's
my
good."
pork.
And he loved the
He
little
loved the
pork.
pork.
What do you call little pork thingies?
I don't know. I think it's pork chunks.
Pork chunks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pork chunks. They're really
Yeah, because
good.
in Spanish they call them masitas.
Masitas
Masitas. Yeah.
de puerco. And then that was our spot to go for soup. Anytime we had a cold,
Yeah.
my daughter and I would go get soup there.
All right, guys, so I'm getting my PJs ready. I'm gonna put on my MTV PJs, and I think it's time to just hit the sack, get a little rest, and get ready for tomorrow's adventure.